Hey guys, today I'm going to do a unboxing video, something that I just bought for my car wash. Yeah, something it's basically a high pressure jet washer so that I can wash my car a little bit more efficiently and yeah, with some fun. So I'm going to show you what I bought. I'm shooting now with my DJI Nano Osmo with 4K 50 frames per second with standard bitrate. So yeah, here we go. Just going to flip it. I'm going to mount it on my cap here. So yeah, so give you a better point of view video. Alright, so I hope you can see. Alright, so this is what I bought. It's called the Lutian brand. It's actually from China. Yeah, it's a high pressure washer. The model that I bought was called the Panther P6 Pro. So it just got delivered to me. So I'm gonna unbox it now. Of course, it comes with this stand and all that. So let's see what's inside. All right. Okay, guys. I hope you can see my point of view. So there's two boxes being delivered, and I'm going to unbox it now. So I like washing my own cars. So I bought this to help me, because without this, you can still wash your cars, but with this it will make it a bit faster, and of course with the high pressure water pressure, I guess you can wash it more efficiently. Alright, so what comes with the box? Wow, it's a Snow Pro foam. Okay, so this is the bottle for the foaming cannon. Nice. My Lutian. I'm going to open it later. Oh, I got this included in my package, which is the gun. It's a special edition one. Alright, going to show you later. Nice. I guess this is the stand. So it comes with this stand. It's very lightweight. Yeah, so basically it's aluminium piece here. Alright, so it comes with the hoses already. Cool. Okay, I wonder why they wrapped it like this. Anyway, just going to put it aside first. See what else is inside. Okay, it comes with this connectors. Spray nozzle. Sorry, it's a spray nozzle. So this is a 25-degree one, this is a 40-degree one. Interesting. Okay, obviously I don't know how to use it yet. I just got it. So this is basically going to be an unboxing. Later when I test it out, I'm probably going to show you another video. So this is just solely going to be an unboxing video. Alright, so this is the stand, the wheels. Okay, just going to put it down first. What else is in the box? Okay. Alright, I guess this is the some kind of connector. I'm not sure how it goes, where it goes. Some brackets here, I guess, to hold up the hoses. What is this? Gosh, I'm not sure. More connectors. Alright, there's no instruction manual on how to hook it up. But I guess it's pretty straightforward, I guess. This one's surely has to go here, right? Oh, and nice, it has this spring thing. So I guess it goes into here to clip it on. Should I just put it in? Yeah, maybe I should. Hope you can see, guys. Turn it around a bit. Okay. Alright, so this, just push it down. Push it down here. Yep. Alright, it goes in. Cool. So this is the Lutian Panther frame series. This is where the machine will sit. This is the hose that I guess connects to the washer machine. Let me get this out the way. Nice. Cool. Alright, so this goes like that, I guess. Alright, so it comes with these things here that I just showed you. Let's see what's in this box. I'm guessing this is the machine itself. I hope this is the right side up. Yep, I think so. Okay, so it has a instruction manual. Sorry, just clearing my hands. All right, but so in Chinese, it's okay. You just have to follow the picture diagram. Okay, whatever. I'm going to look into it later. So obviously this product is from China. I read some good reviews on it, so that's why I bought it. And a friend of mine is also having the same unit and he says it's very good. Right, so first up, you get hoses, and these are really nice quality, man. Nice, good. Put it aside first. More hoses. So many hoses, I don't know what is it for. Oh, this is the standard spray gun, but I got the special edition one here. Yeah. This is the nozzle, I guess, the spray nozzle. Some filter things and brackets. Put it here first. Okay, so this is the machine itself. Oh, let me see what's. Never mind. Let me take it out. Okay, it's quite heavy. I guess it's about 15 kilo or less. Maybe less. 10, about 10. Yeah. Oh, they come with some kind of liquid washer that they give you for free. Snow wash. Nice. So what else? Nothing else? Cool. Oh, cool. Alright, so this is it. Guys, this is what's included in my package. The P6 Pro by Lutian Panther P6 Pro, sorry. Alright, let me just take this off the plastic so you guys can have a look exactly how it looks like. Oh man, heavy. Oh, smells good, man. There's a meter gauge here to help you monitor the pressure, and inlet outlet, I don't know which is which I gotta have to do some homework to study how it works. The on and off switch, Lutian Panther P6 Pro. Nice, nice, nice. I guess this one sits, I think there's a bracket, yeah. So there should be a bracket that lets you sit the machine somewhere here, I guess. Yeah. So yep, guys, this is it. This is my new setup for my car wash. If you're interested to get it, I'm going to include a link in my description below. So yeah, I'm going to post another video on showing you guys exactly how it works, and maybe I'll show you guys a little bit on how to install it when I figure it out later. So yeah, this video is just about me unboxing this new stuff that I just bought. Nice. Again, guys, Lutian Panther P6 Pro. Yeah, can't wait to use it. So yeah, please do subscribe and follow our channel. Let me just unmount this. Yeah, so yeah, please do like and subscribe this video if you want to see how this high pressure washer works. And yeah, do stay tuned for the next one, guys. See ya. Thank you. Bye.